What's up guys, it's Mari. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in the kitchen with Greg because we are getting 2022 ready, starting with our groceries. I feel like this is a really simple, easy tip that I've been seeing other people do and I have wanted to do for a while. So Greg and I are sitting down because we are creating a dinner menu for the week. So we're basically deciding all of the healthy meals we want to make this week to make sure we get the right groceries, maybe even delegate like who's cooking, even though let's be real, like you're probably cooking all of them.
Well, all right, we have two problems we're trying to solve. One is we always have food at the end of the week that's going bad because we either overbought random things or we don't have dinner ingredients and then we order in, which isn't really a calorie problem. It's just we're starting to stack some cake.
Yeah.
Right? Can we stack some cake and not eat out as much as we are?
Yeah, we got into a little habit of ordering in a lot the past couple weeks, so we want to avoid that. So we're gonna decide some meals that we're excited about but are still healthy. Let's do it. So as we start thinking of meal ideas, I do have my Slay app pulled up because it's so great. If you're out of ideas for healthy meals and snacks, there's so many good ones on here. So I'm gonna keep this pulled up just as reference. The chicken and peppers sounds really good.
I wanna do the sweet potato hash as a side to maybe even the lettuce burgers.
I kind of want to go get cauliflower gnocchi and do that.
We're ripping Trader Joe's right now?
I might want to go to Trader Joe's. Or maybe even my sushi, my low carb sushi. Ooh, zucchini roll-ups. Okay, there's a lot of good ones in here, so let's go. Dinner menu week.
Tonight, lettuce burger.
Yes, so Monday, and that's our current favorite meal. I mean, my favorite meal. Greg could tell you I'm obsessed. Lettuce burgers. Do you want sweet potato hash? Perf. We already have burgers. Do you want to get different ones or do you want to use those?
No, we did a big Costco run when we got the house. And so we got 2 dozen frozen grass-fed burger patties. They're just in the freezer, so I just needed to frost them on the go.
You want to use those?
Yeah, so we just need
butter lettuce.
Lettuce, tomato, onion, the usual.
Well, are these good? Lettuce. So on the right side here, I'm putting the ingredients we need. You know what we should do? Maybe poke this week.
Easy.
But then we have to go to a different store for that.
If there's a day to do it, it's today. It seems
Okay.
Traffic's low. Let's just go hop around.
Yeah.
Stock up this fridge.
Okay, so that's Monday. Tuesday, so we want to do poke. And this is kind of nice because I'm looking forward to it now. You know what I mean?
Yeah. To poke, we go to a Japanese supermarket. And we'll either get the salmon or the tuna, whatever looks better. Usually
the bluefin tuna. We have seasoning. We definitely need avocados because I eat those with breakfast anyway. Maybe green onion. What else?
That's it. We got soy. We got all the essentials. Wait, so where do we put just things we keep in the fridge?
We keep that underneath.
So is this shopping list or just dinner menu?
Just dinner.
Okay.
Because I feel like dinner's what I struggle with the most personally. Ideas and just wanting to order in.
Wednesday.
I was thinking a big healthy Caesar salad.
All right, Giant, I'm down for that. We actually have...
I was thinking we should actually grill chicken in the oven or something and slice it up. And then we could even make it so big that we have meal prep for the next day.
Done. Thursday, I want to do that.
Wait.
Okay.
How do you spell Caesar?
C-E-A-S-A-R. I'm gonna get flamed if I'm wrong.
I've never asked you how to spell anything in my life. I'm the good speller.
It's on facts.
Okay, we'll do Caesar. What else do you put in a Caesar salad? I know croutons, but I don't want to put croutons.
Parmesan, which we got. Little baby tomatoes. You can dice up cuke.
That's not a Caesar anymore.
You could throw an anchovy.
We could.
No, dude, I'm not trying to eat those areas.
Oh, you know what I've been really wanting to do? Spring rolls, babe, with the rice paper.
Might work. We'll get that when we go to the Japanese supermarket.
Great idea. Okay, Thursday. Do you want to do the shrimp spring rolls with shredded carrot?
Yes.
What else is in those? Peanut sauce?
Peanut sauce on the side.
Hold on. This would be a good one to film actually. So we need rice, paper, shrimp, carrot. What else goes in those?
Lettuce.
Avocado.
Just lettuce. But you just need stuff them up.
Cucumber and peanut sauce. Oh, perfect.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, sesame oil.
Okay, so here are the spring rolls and all the ingredients. So this is really helpful to have pulled up. Red cabbage, cilantro. Okay, fab. Friday. What were you gonna say before?
Friday is New Year's, we're going out. Isn't it, or am I wrong?
Friday is,
Party!
Did you get everything you wanted on this list?
Yeah, dude, I'm easy.
Do you want to decide on Saturday and Sunday now or no?
Nah, nothing will last that long.
So, our dinners for the week. Lettuce burgers, poke, Caesar salad, spring rolls, dinner out on New Year's. We're probably gonna get sushi or we'll see. Okay, well that's decided. That's our dinners. Now, should we talk about things we just wanna have grocery-wise or for snacks?
Things we keep in the fruit bowl. Bananas.
Oh, right, okay.
Berries. An assortment of berries.
Avocados.
We have onion.
I have onion, we have lemons.
Oh, baby carrots and hummus.
Hummus. I wanna get bacon again. Bacon.
Oh, eggs, obviously.
Eggs.
We have almond milk. We have cheeses.
Turkey, cold. Know what might be fun? What about those like lettuce sandwich roll-ups? So basically you lay like butter lettuce and then you put turkey cold cut and then cheese and you roll it up and it's a sandwich. Let's do that. That's a good lunch. Lettuce tacos. Let's get that like grilled chicken I like. Maybe guac, pico. I know, but if we do lettuce tacos, we will. Okay guys, I think that's good for now. We are having a very productive day. We're getting on top of work, organizing things. We have an ant exterminator coming to our house tomorrow because we have an ant problem. Our cleaner comes tomorrow. Back to business, right? But I feel like we're feeling the same way. Like I'm ready to get back on my routine and you know, I think we both have really big goals for 2022. One of mine is to grow my YouTube channel and, you know, keep making amazing content for you guys. So I'm sorry for my hiatus, but you know, we're doing this stuff anyway. So I might as well show you and let's grow together. I think that's the best part about New Year's is like, it's all kind of like a community effort to be better. And I love that. This is gonna be the beginning part of this vlog. Stay tuned. We are gonna check in with you guys soon. We're gonna grocery shop. We're gonna clean the house. It's a productive Monday.
Peace, peace.
I don't know what that was. That was a high five pound. It is raining again, guys. It's been raining so much in LA lately. The most I've ever seen it rain since living here. I am cooking up some breakfast right now. Been really into hard-boiled eggs, so that's happening. And then I used my new mortar and pestle Greg got me and made some avocado mash. Strawberries. I just need to peel these guys. So I always boil my eggs for about 7 minutes, and then my trick is I put them directly into ice water, which usually makes it easier to peel them. I'm having 2 and I made Greg 2. Okay guys, our breakfast is finished. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna continue on our list, our productive 2022 list. All right, well, back from the grocery store. The menu helped a ton. We got so much food. We're ready for the whole week. No eating out, no eating out. We have so much food, so we're just going through and throwing out anything don't need. I feel like the shelves got a little disorganized. Need it for my dressing. This is for our Caesar tonight. These are for the spring rolls. For the spring rolls, this is the paper I like to use. My hands are numb. Where should we keep this? Pantry? This is a really great pre-made chicken I've been enjoying, sous vide. Ooh, these are the carrots I got for spring rolls.
That's me at food, dude. That's me at food. The whole family, including Lulu, takes goldfish oil. You already know.
I wanted to show you guys this idea I had for a cute little lunch. I'm gonna keep it simple for right now, but you could kind of like jazz it up with lettuce and, you know, whatever else. I was thinking I got deli turkey and deli cheese. Then for a little low carb lunch, just taking a slice of turkey. Let me grab like, I know Lulu, this is right up your alley. A slice of turkey and a slice of cheese, and then just rolling it up. And then you could add some mustard or avocado mayo and just have like little sandwich roll-ups with lettuce. Yeah, I'm gonna do that this week for sure. Just had to test it. That is it from me, guys. That is how I organize my grocery lists and meals. I know that can be a really challenging part of a fitness journey. So if you guys have tips for me and for everyone else in the comment section, comment below. Make sure you subscribe. I'm posting videos every single week. Let me know what you want to see next. Love you guys so much and talk to you soon. Bye.